Hello student, welcome once again to my channel, and this time we have an integral question over here. So we have to integrate sine cube 2 over 3s, then cos to the power 4 2 over 3s ds here. Now we have, so these are basically trig functions, right? Now if you look at the exponent of the sine and the cos, you realize that if you look at especially the sine there, you realize that it is odd and the cos is also even. So we are going to strip either the cos or the sine in order for us to get a trig identity. Then we just substitute that into it, then it will make the integral very simple. Now what I mean is, now if you have the sine here, right, cube, so 2 over 3x here, the cos to the power 4 2 over 3x here dx. Now when we strip one of the sine out here, so we can have, so we are making the exponent squared 2 over 3x here, then we still have cos to the power 4 2 over 3x here. Right, now we've stripped one of the sine out, so we have it here 2 over 3x here, then we have the x. Now you realize that from trig identity, if you have cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1, and therefore if you want to leave these trig functions here in terms of cos, then we have that sine squared theta here is just 1 minus cos squared theta, right? So if that is the case, we substitute that into it, and we just have 1 minus cos squared theta here, right? So theta here is just 2 over 3x, right? Here, then we have the cos of to the power 4 2 over 3x, x. Then we have sine 2 over 3x here, then we have the x, right? Now we can then do trig substitution over here. So what we'll do is that we said let u equal to cos 2 over 3x here. So if that is the case and we are substituting that, then which means that cos squared, that is just u squared here, then cos to the power 4 will just be u to the power 4. But then also remember that when we differentiate this, so we have the u over the x here will be equal to negative sine 2 over 3 here x here. Then also we differentiate what is here, so we are just going to get 2 over 3 here, so which means that our the x here is just the x here will just be equal to the u here divided by negative 2 over 3 here, right, and the sine of 2 over 3x here, right? So if that is the case, then we have so over here we have sine 2 over 3x here, so the x here is just the u here divided by negative 2 over 3 sine of 2 over 3 here x here, right? Now from here you realize that sine here will cancel sine, right, and therefore we can have this as so we can have the integral here 1 minus u squared here multiplied by u to the power 4. Then we have but remember we have negative 2 over 3 at the denominator, so when we bring it up we just have negative 3 over 2 here, then we have it with respect to the u. Now what we are going to do is to integrate with respect to u now. So let's do the integral. So before that we can even expand this. So expanding this is u to the power 4, then this multiplies that u to the power 6, then we have the u here. Now it has been made easier here, so what we are going to do is to integrate now. So u to the power 4 here plus 1, then divided by the exponent which is 5, then minus 6 plus 1 here divided by the exponent which is 7 here. Now since this is an indefinite integral, then we add plus c to it. So over here we have this multiplies that, so we are going to get 3 over 10 here u to the power 5, then plus 3 over 14 here, right, 7 multiplies 2, then u to the power 7 here plus c. Right, now remember we said that let u equal to cos 2 over 3x here, so we just replace that. So we have 3 here, then we can have 10 here, so we can have this as the cos of 2 over 3x here, right, to the power 5 here, then plus 3 over 14 here, cos to the power 7 here, 2 over 3x here, right, plus c. So therefore we can write it this way, over that, then the cos of 7, 2 over 3 here, then negative 3 over 10 here, then the cos 5 here, 2 over 3x here, plus c, and that will be the integral. Thank you very much for joining me in this session, and I'll see you guys in another section.